Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about how to turn your day makeup into night makeup, and it is needed when you are out on a holiday and when you arrive home you don't have time to get ready for the night as well, because it takes a lot of time to first remove your makeup and then wash your face and then reapply the makeup, rather than removing all the makeup you have on your face. Just set that makeup on for the night as well. So in today's video I will show you how to get your day makeup converted into your night makeup. So if you want to know how to convert your day makeup into night makeup, then please continue watching this video. Okay, so this is my makeup which I was wearing at the daytime, and now I don't want to remove anything from this because I don't have time. So I'm just going to remove my lip shade because I'm wearing red and the lip shade is pink. So just to remove that, I'm using some cotton pad and micellar water. So I'm going to remove my lipstick. And now I'm going to apply some Vaseline over it, so to moisturize them a little. So I don't think that I need anything like foundation, because I have already done my base in the morning. But for that I have applied BB cream mixed with some concealer, but I don't think I need even a concealer. So I'm just setting my face with some translucent powder or a loose powder. So for that I'm using my Bharat and Doris loose powder and a fluffy brush.
And now I'm going to apply it all over my face. For that I'm going to tie my hair.
And I'm going to apply it much under my eyes. Next I'm going to apply some blush, and for that I'm using the same blush palette from the Nika Duo.
Today I'm not going to mix both the colors, I'm going to apply pink.
And it is completely fine if you have overdone your blush because it is night time. And the next thing I'm going in with this Sephora Trio palette, and from this I'm going to use a contour shade. So I'm going in with circular motions to blend it well. Here too. And now I'm going to blend it with this fluffy brush all over my face.
And your base is done. It hardly took me 3 minutes to get my base done.
And not even the base, I'm done with the blush and contour too. So I have already shaped my brows in the morning, but just brushing them off a little if I need just a little bit, just as a finishing product. This is a night look and I don't want my eyes to look like really plain, so I want to add some definition on my crease, and for that I'm not going on heavy product. I'm just using the same contour shade as my eyeshadow shade for today. So I'm dipping my brush in, and this is the blending brush from the Amazon brush set if you want to know. And now I'm just applying it over my lid and my crease. You don't have to be a pro in doing your eye makeup. Just dip your brush in the product, dab off the excess, and start with the circular motions at the outer corner of your eye like this. Like starting from here, circular motions here, and when you see some color building up, take it to your inner corners like this. And to add a little glittery effect on my lids, I'm using this highlighter which is from In Color and it says Instant Glow Shimmer Brick. I am going to use this peach shade and I'll take it on my fingers. So I'm not going all crazy with the eyeliner stuff. I'm just going to outline it like very thin. And now when I'm done applying this kajal, I'm going to smudge it with a brush to give it a little smoky effect for the night. I'm using my blending brush and I'm not dipping it in any of the color. I'm just going to smudge it. So my kajal is also done and I'm not going to apply any mascara because I have done it in the morning only and I don't need it now. So now it's turn for the highlighter, and that's my favorite part.
And by the way, I got this tattoo in Goa, and this is a temporary one. This is not permanent. And yeah, there is a crown, which is a queen's crown, and under that is my husband's name.
Okay, anyways, I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones.
I'm going to marry this highlighter something. Yes, I just love it. Okay, enough.
And my entire makeup is done, just my lips are left, and it just took me, I believe, 10 minutes only. So for lips I have these two colors and both are in the shades of red. One is like tomato red and other is somewhat in like maroonish red. So I'm going to mix them too. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm starting with this lipstick. This is Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte.
You might have seen this ad
I'm going to top it over it. So this was the full makeup that I have done for this night today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it might be really helpful for you guys. And yes, if you do like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.